Big Mike, I told you we're gonna bake some stuff in the convection oven. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the world's largest convection oven for blocks here. Mr. Herrick of CNC Blockworks ended up meeting a gentleman here in the Tri-Cities area that builds these convection ovens for the OEMs. So this is a prototype oven that we're using to put sleeves and blocks in the LS's and the Coyotes. So being that it's convection, there's no direct heat. So we're not having to use dry ice, we're not using liquid nitrogen, and we don't have direct heat on the block. So you know what, Herrick? Hey, let's bake some aluminum.
Yeah, how do we actually do this?
All right, y'all.
This is EAZY Bake.
Nice.
This is the EAZY Bake engine block oven.
One of these Christmas gifts we always wanted.
That's right. And if you come into the Engine Performance Expo, you'll get to see this thing live. Now look at this, ladies and gentlemen. It's on the cart. We roll it into the oven.
Well, that feels good.
And the EAZY Bake block oven is now loaded. How long does that take, Embry?
It'll get about 35 minutes and it'll be up to temp.
35 minutes up to temp. We roll that sucker out, drop the power bore sleeves in there, and guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We got a sleeved LS. So those of you coming to the Engine Performance Expo, January 11th to 12th, you'll get to demo this. And a shout out to my good buddy, Steve Morris, and his son Kyle. I'm thinking Steve's really gonna enjoy this oven, because all we gotta do is hit these buttons.